welcome to my video. Today I will tell you how to use hair dryer correctly. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Gusti Saputri. I am from class 10-1. The material you need are hair dryer, a comb, and hair vitamins. Okay, now let's get to the steps. Step 1. You have to shampoo first. Don't forget to comb your hair before shampooing. Now, I want to wash my hair. Ta-da! I finished shampooing and my hair is half dry. Proceed to the second step, namely using hair vitamins from the ends to the hair shape. Step 3. Take hair dryer and plug it into the wall socket. Step 4. To turn on, try using the cold hair first, then continue with hot air. Step 5. When using the hair dryer, keep the minimum distance, not too closely. No? Yes. Step 6. Don't use from the front, but do it from top to bottom. The final step is to comb your hair.